I've been a big fan of the Banquet turkey meals pretty much my whole life. And now that I'm watching my weight, 250 calories seems like a pretty good deal. And under $2. It's plenty of food for a lunch, probably enough for a dinner for a lot of people. It's under 7 minutes and you can eat right out of the container. So very little mess, add a little butter, salt and pepper, and you have got yourself a home cooked meal, baby. If you don't like those peas like I don't, pop them out when it's still frozen, nice and easy. And remember, I kiss better than I cook.